ஜோதிடத்தின் பரிணாம வளர்ச்சி ஏஎல்பி ஜோதிடம். இதை படிங்க, உங்கள் வாழ்க்கை உங்கள் கையில்.
Hello everybody, this is Bhavani Muthusamy, ALP astrologer. Today I am going to share you about the debts. Debts are inevitable in everybody's life nowadays. Those who are very suffering from the debts, long-term debts. There are long-term debts as well as short-term debts. So today we will be seeing about long-term debts. So according to the Lagna, the long-term debts, reasons for taking long-term debts differs according to your life purpose and what are the planetary positions, what are the nakshatra you are going through. Everything has an impact in the taking over long-term debts. Some of the Lagnas, they have the debts for all over the 10 years, that cannot be changed according to ALP astrology. Those can take their short-term loans and they can proceed with their loans in a long duration so that they'll be escaping from any type of health issues related to that Lagna. So many of them are saying that taking debts is very bad and repaying it takes immense loss of effort to repay it. But if you have loans during that period or debts during that period, that will not impact on your health. If you don't have loans or debts during that period, that will give you a greater impact in your health issue. So we suggest in ALP astrology, we suggest without getting into long-term health issues, if you focus on getting some short-term loans or getting some loans which are very apt for you, that will give you an remedy to not getting into any health issues, any health hazards. Okay, so some of the Lagnas will definitely have the loans during 10 years or if health issues during 10 years. For example, Aries Lagna, they are very used to long term loans for the 10 years. And as well as Libra Lagna, they also tend to have loans during this 10 years when they go through Libra. If they don't have loans or debts, that will give them health issues or any sort of unwanted expenses. So to avoid that, you can get a loan and you can make it wise use of it, and you can get through that 10 years time period. And let's see some of the Lagnas with the particular nakshatras, and we'll discuss how it will be affecting your long term debts. For example, if a native is going through Aries Lagna, then the planet Saturn is located in the Lagna itself. Then during that 10 years, the native will be having some sort of business loans or long-term debts due to business or profession that he'll be facing through during that Aries Lagna. So to avoid that, they can they can choose a job related to that long-term issue related job, or they can choose they can voluntarily take a loan for their business and they repay it in the long term. That will help them to solve this problem. And the next Lagna we'll see is Cancer Lagna. For example, if in Cancer Lagna, if the Rahu is placed in the Libra, for example, we are telling in Cancer Lagna, planet Rahu is placed in the Libra, then they might face long-term debts or loans due to their house. They may build a house, they can voluntarily take loan from some banks and they can build a house of their own. During this time, they will be building a very magnificent, very large house, very big house. They will be building it. For that, they will be getting a big amount of money as a loan. They have to repay it for a long-term duration. Okay, for at least for 10 years, they have to repay it. Only then that will not give them the negative effect. So they can choose in that way. And the other Lagna is, for example, if they are going through Scorpio Lagna, and for example, this Venus is placed in the second position, okay, then they'll be having whatever income comes to them, they'll be getting out of it, they'll be giving us debts. That income will go for debts, and they'll be having an continuous debts related to their family. Okay, whatever expenses they are dealing with their family, they'll be having expenses related to family, and they have to take long term loans for their family. So that is the case with this Scorpio Lagna. And if they are going through Capricorn Lagna, if for instance a native is going through Capricorn Lagna, and he is having the planet, for example, Lord Sun is placed in the 7th house, okay, that is in this Cancer, then they'll be facing long term health issues or long term debts in the name of their wife or spouse, whoever the native is. They'll be having a long term debt in the name of their spouse, that will be there in their 10 years time period. So to know that whichever lagna you are going through, you just check with it how to get rid of this long term issues, and what are the measures we can take to avoid unwanted expenses and wisely use of this long term debts for their future. So for that, ALP astrology is very much useful. It is learning ALP astrology is also a very interesting part, and it is very simple to learn. So thank you for this opportunity, and I hope everyone to get into this ALP astrology and find your own decisions. Thank you.
சித்தர் பூமி